Basically, your true self is the sun, and everything that has to do with your ego, all of the thought forms, your emotions, your reactions, your beliefs, the concepts you have about life and who you are, what you're supposed to be doing, everything. They're just clouds. They're clouds that are obscuring the sun and the sunshine that is within you. As you engage in meditation, mindfulness, relinquishment, you start to clear away these clouds. And it might not seem like you're making any progress at the beginning of this journey, because that looks like a pretty far away mountain, doesn't it? It looks like a pretty long path. But if Steve keeps to it, then eventually he might see a little bit of his true nature peeking through the clouds.